Okay, hello everyone, this is Amin. Now I'm going to show you how to draw polygons using Google's MyMaps tool. Okay, first thing you need to log in using your Google's account. Once you log in, this is your landing page. Click on the create a new map button. Okay, now it's loading. You can see the map view. Okay, for our use case scenario, let's take shopping malls. Okay, so I'm going to name this as shopping malls. So this is the title of the map that you're drawing. So I'm going to give the title shopping malls. Okay, and save it. So it's shopping malls now. This is the search bar. Okay, you can search either using lat long or you can search by the place name. Okay, now we are doing shopping malls. I'm going to first look for Alpha Angle Mall, which is near my house. Alpha Angle. Okay, here you go. Yon Alpha Angle Mall. Okay, so this is the building area of the map that we are seeing in the map view. Okay, an important note which I would like to mention is while drawing polygons, we are not just drawing the building area, we are also including any area that belongs to that building. It could be a landscape or it could be a parking area that belongs to that building. Okay, so to know the exact area that we need to draw, we need to switch to the satellite view. By default, it's in the map view. Okay, to switch to satellite view, click this base map, which is currently on the map view. Click on this second one to switch to satellite view. Okay, here you go. So now you can clearly see the building as well as the parking here. Okay, let's draw. To draw, click draw a line icon, this one, and then choose add a line or shape. Let's begin. To draw, you need to click and make points. So click and then click, 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 click. Okay, now I'm clicking the first one and now the loop is closed. Once the loop is closed, you will see this pop up. You need to name this. Okay, this is Alpha Angle Mall. Okay, and save. Okay, now you have created the polygon. That's it. One important note I would like to mention here is, okay, always leave some buffer between, some margin between the road and the building. Okay, so this is the road. Okay, so I've given some margin here because don't go very close to the road. Otherwise we will be unnecessarily capturing the movements, people who are passing by the building instead of people who are visiting the building. Okay, so that's why always leave some margin between the roads. That's all.